Come on, y'all. This is England that died aboard the Titanic. Yes, black people was aboard the Titanic. Arthur Omer been trying to teach you guys that black people was aboard the Titanic for years. We had to come out of our graves, me and my homeboys and homegirls. We had to come out of our graves to get you guys' attention that black people was aboard the Titanic. Hey, now, Arthur Omer needs your help. She only got a few subscribers. She need 1,000 subscribers now. You guys can do it this one. I think she got 98 subscribers. Come on now. Hit like, share, subscribe. Hit like, share, subscribe. Come on now. You can do it. You can help Arthur Omer subscribe. But anyhow,
Relax with J. Boda drops tonight at 8. So make sure y'all head over there if you're looking for some beautiful clothes. If you're looking for some good skincare that actually works. Like I've been posting some reviews in my story. There's reviews on my website. Like people with hyperpigmentation seeing their skin, dark spots fading away. Like this is stuff that's sent to me. And I just share it. Yeah. It works. It works. So make sure y'all get some of this setup after. It's good to put on the makeup, but it's even better whenever you can not wear makeup if you don't have to. See, when I go out and about, people be like, and usually when I'm out and about, I'm usually ripping and running, so I don't have anything on, and people are like, oh my gosh, you're even more beautiful in person. I've been thinking to myself, yeah, because I'm taking care of my skin and my body. And I get my rest too. Now, let me say that too. I don't play about my rest. I'll make sure I get my rest, okay? I ain't gonna play about my rest at all. Some body stuff. Oh, these cards are so long. That was a butter. Did y'all watch my video that I posted down here in my workroom? Did y'all see that? Did y'all watch it? Did y'all see it? There's a whole movement down here. Like, it ain't no joke. Like, it's for real. Hey. Happy Easter to you, too. Happy Easter, happy Easter. Somebody said, I did. Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all watch the video. It's on my story. It's on my page. It's a whole workroom down here, baby. In real life, I love it. I love it down here. Y'all see I'm in between interviews. I came right down here and what? Got to work. Okay. Working. Yes, that was cute. I said, come on, commercial. Yes, come on, commercial. That part. I love it. And it is. And it is. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, got those orders out that. Yep. Sure did. And all the people that took advantage of the baby bumper sale for their babies for Easter baskets and stuff. Oh, let me tell you. All those went out too. People already, they started getting those yesterday. The last few of people get them tomorrow. I'm not playing. No ma'am. No ma'am. Not playing at all. Not playing. Let me see what y'all got going on. Who's trying to? I ordered today. Thank you. Let me see who's trying to come on here. I have like a few minutes, and then I gotta go to Bossa. Y'all see me on live again with Bossa, so y'all can check me out there. Let me see what Anthony is.
Hi, Melo.
hey, Anthony.
Hey, what's up, Anthony? How you doing, baby?
Mm-hmm.
You said working just like me? I know that's real. Hold on. Let me set my camera back up.
on here too. Caramel Red was on here too. Hey, y'all. So, you already know I can ask you a question now.
I'll answer.
Now, okay. You know there was, You know there was just an interview yesterday, and Martel and Melody. But it's something that I really want to ask because it's pertaining to the children. So is it some truth to that you all are not allowed to put them on social media? And the reason I'm asking that is because Sugar Mama have a brand, and I know your kids they're gonna have their own business come out. So is there if that is true, is there a possibility that y'all could possibly revise that for business wise? I can't even. You want it now? So,
I said I'm not at liberty to speak on that right now.
Well, at least you understand what y'all always doing is. Y'all said that at least you been honest about it, which you're always honest.
Thank you, Anthony. That's what I wanted to ask her. So it's court order. It has nothing to do with this man claiming that he made this decision. It's court order because Mel can't speak on it right now. But Mel gonna handle that. Sugar Mama products will be out. And for those of you said that Martel can't make money off that Sugar Mama product, y'all was on the spot. He's trying to block Sugar Mama product from selling. Yeah, y'all were on point and I was off point. Okay, it was court order because she can't speak about it. But Martel act like, that was his decision to do that, and Melody agreed.
So how many orders are you looking to do today?
So, usually when I run a sale, so right now I probably have about 50 that I've printed so far, and I'll have more to print as they go. But usually when I run a sale, usually I do anywhere from 150 to orders a day.
Hey, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Let me tell you guys something. All you bloggers, y'all had it. I had it wrong. I thought I thought Mel was the one that had took her to court to keep him from filming with her children because he was trying to make Little Knox a Eminem child's part of the Eminem group. We saw that because he had started referring to him as Maverick. His mama have gave in and started calling him Maverick as well. That was a plot to make him part of the Eminem brand. But y'all called it. Some of y'all said that he was trying to stop the sale of he was trying to stop Melody from making money off her kids' brand. And y'all guessed it because she said she said that she was not in a liberty to talk about the children business, but you can buy the products. You can talk about the products because what Mel did was says, hey, look, somebody's still ordering Sugar Mama products. So we can still, showcase the products. But this man got on TV like he had a change of life, like he was just this great man and had a turnover in life, that he and Melody had agreed upon not allowing the children to film. No, because Melody would have said it. Anthony Lofted asked the person that we all wanted to know. Y'all know Anthony. He's always a great debater, and he's just great at what he does. And he asked that question, and she says, I can't talk about it. Yes, that's what she said. But after he left, she picked up a product and showed us that people are still buying Sugar Mama products. So it didn't work. I talked about it when I called Peggy in his lab with Arian. They both in on it, Arian too. Arian in on it allegedly. Arian him was live and Peggy was under there. Live also trying to get his attention, but he was ignoring her. Y'all remember Peggy. She was the lady that was still, when Sugar Mama product first came out, she was trying to block it by sending to the Paw Disney's World her product, saying that it was a copyright infringement. But anyway, you guys, it's not a copyright infringement. Sugar Mama product is still available and still for sale. Man, I don't know what kind of man this is that you can't even enjoy your children. You can't even celebrate the success of your own children. Now, this is what I want to know with you. I'm talking to you, Martel. You got little Knox over there, and you got that mama. His mama wants you so bad. His mama gonna always be there. Why can't you and she and little Knox create something together? Yeah. Y'all do y'all own thing. Mel doing her own thing. You leave Mel alone. And Coleslaw say she that girl. So use Coleslaw and y'all create. Put little Knox out there. Yeah, that's what you do. And leave her alone. Make your own products. I'm done with this, y'all. This is a shame. This man would do that to his own daughter. His own, jealous over what is she, 2 or 3 years old? 3-year-old little baby? Because Sugar Mama products making more money than he ever made. Yeah, y'all were right. This was ordered. Yeah, she did not come to no conclusion with this man. This man just put it out there like that's his idea. It's his idea that they came to agreement that they would no longer advertise the children or film with the children. That's what he say, but that's what he want. He want. Okay, now y'all see this picture behind me. Y'all remember this? They were in a meeting. And she asked him what he wanted to do. He said he wanted to dissolve everything. And Arian had came on the day before that and said she told him to tell Mel that you want to dissolve everything. Anything associated with her in the business, just dissolved it. And she did it. He's still pissed off about that. Now, he probably asking for some percentage of that Sugar Mama product. That's what he probably asking for. But you don't deserve to get no percentage of Sugar Mama products now. So he think he deserved to get a percentage of it. Anyway, that's what that meeting was about. She dissolved everything at his wishes. He wished that. You said it. You said it. You took the advice of Coleslaw. Both of y'all call yourself trying to be intelligent, laughing at Mel. Yeah, that's what Coleslaw said. Yeah, you and she used to laugh at Mel. Y'all was living off of her money and you would laugh at this. Now look who laughing all the way to the bank and you trying to block that. But it ain't gonna work. Go out today and order your Sugar Mama products.
Orders and stuff like back up so you don't put too much pressure on her so she can spend time with the child.
You know how we talk about divine alignment all the time, right? One individual like mine. He was Avenue a year ago. He was I got it.
Okay.
Like,
well, girl, I ain't gonna hold you too long because I hear people first time they hear the kids. That's actually me on this side over here. So my friend right here, Yashika, doing that Babyface Bakery out in the food, she's actually making a cake for. Can I say this? She's making a cake for Janet Jackson right now. So, and Janet Jackson manager just messaged me right now. Yeah, because I told you he was gonna be here. But yeah, they supposed to be coming up here to get the cake, and that's actually her kids over running in the bakery. So, yeah. So, all right. Then. Right. Or she called me. She gonna call me and say, "Hey, can you come by the bakery? I'm trying to work, but I'm glad I got one of these jobs I can go anywhere and work." Right.
She
And
wants
I'm gonna
some
give
good
some free tea. Right. All right. You have a good day, and I will talk to you all later. Next time we go live again. All right. All right. Bye.
All right, y'all. So I have, let me see, one more minute, then I gotta go upstairs and I'm gonna use this minute. Somebody ordered a Sugar Mama 2-in-1 washing shampoo. Y'all see this? Ain't that pretty? So
Y'all saw that the girl smart. I ain't gonna say nothing. Somebody ordering the Sugar Mama shampoo. Keep on ordering the products. That man trying to block this girl's products from selling, man.
let's see what y'all talking about. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I was up trying to get me. Oh, thank you, Dave. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Look, I love it.